how to fix your game subscription cancelled problem. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your subscription status. Go to your account settings on the platform. So for example, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or Steam, and check if your subscription is active. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check your payment method. Make sure that your payment method is valid and check your expired card or insufficient balance or your billing issues. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and look for emails about payment failures or renewal issues or subscription. So follow any instruction provided in the email. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and restart the platform or the application. So close the application or game completely. Or you could also check for active subscription, ensure there isn't another active subscription on the same account, and cancel duplicate subscriptions. If that is not the case, you might need to renew your subscription or even check your bank or PayPal. If none of it works, then you want to simply go ahead and contact their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have furthermore questions,